shopping, yeah. Have you on an island, hey. Put you in the mansion, but I gotta know what you can do for me. What can you do for me? Yeah. What can you do for me? Yeah. You know how I do. Yeah. What can you do for me?
What up? What up? Mic check, man. Is my mic on? Hold on. Let me make sure my signal is good. Make sure the signal is good. My voice is coming through nice and smooth, like I'm on a radio. What up, man? Hope y'all doing well. Back at it once again. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, with another weekly money watch. Discount stock extravaganza money watch number 107. Looking forward to having an amazing week. We got some crazy opportunities out here. I want you guys to take advantage of some of these opportunities. And after you take advantage of these opportunities, I want you to come back and let me know about the success. Wait a second. Success that you're having. Let me get a drink real quick. I already had to take a little liquid death there. Okay, I think I'm better. Yeah, so let me know about your success that you're having. I definitely like to be a part of that. This is what I do. As always, we start off with a quick update. And the new money public stock portfolio, keep this 100% transparent. Everything is going according to plan, continually moving in the right direction. So like I always say, gonna keep doing updates with the positions in the portfolio. So if anybody has questions, ideas about any of this, please let me know. And if you know somebody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, we're really trying to outperform the market, go from $100 per month to 1 million. And we started with $100 and we're going to be well over $5,000 if everything keeps going according to plan by the end of the year, which is pretty cool. So yeah, send people over, have them check out the channel so we can get them started the right way. Let's check out the U.S. economic calendar for the week. Is it economic or economic? I don't know. When I want to sound smart, I say economic. When I don't care, I just say economic because I'm American. Monday, January 12th, Fed speakers. Tuesday, January 13th, NFIB Optimism Index, core CPI, new home sales, U.S. budget deficit, some more Fed speakers as usual, more Fed speakers on Wednesday. U.S. retail sales delayed report, retail sales minus autos delayed report, U.S. producer price index delayed report, core PPI delayed report, U.S. business inventories, all these delayed reports, of course, government shutdown, existing home sales. And then Thursday, initial jobless claims, U.S. import prices, Empire State manufacturing. Friday, industrial production capacity utilization, and some more Fed speakers. According to the Almanac, what can we expect? So historically, Monday, the 12th is historically a bullish trading day. What does that mean? That the market is green over 60% of the time, Dow over 62% of the time, S&P and NASDAQ both over 71% of the time. They've been green on this particular trading day. First trading day of January monthly expiration week. The Dow has been up 20 of the last 33 trading sessions, but down 8 of the last 12. We should have mixed markets all the way through January monthly expiration week. Dow has been up 11 of the last 15 trading sessions, and then Friday is historically a bullish day in the market, with the S&P being bullish over 2/3 of the time, along with the Dow and the NASDAQ. January monthly expiration day improving since 2011. Dow has been up 13 of the last 15. The day before Martin Luther King Day, NASDAQ has been up 8 of the last 10 trading sessions. There's been a lot of money rotated into some beat down sectors, defensive plays. We saw a lot of moves in staples. Berkshire Hathaway's been known for being pretty defensive, and you know a lot of their stocks have been down. So Warren Buffett, one of the stock gurus, he actually just stepped down, for those who don't know. So we're going to see if we can, keep that value investing in mind right now. I'm usually high growth, but we're going to take advantage of some value here this week. So I guess we'll just start off with this Berkshire Holding HPQ setting up here. And one thing I want to do is, with all of these charts, matter of fact, let me just do this. Let me just start off with a year chart here, so you can kind of see where we are. A lot of these stocks historic lows, so HPQ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6-year lows here. So potential to reverse back up. There's nothing really to stop it. So we'll see how this one goes. All the price targets on all of these stocks we're going to look at today are way above, just because we're getting these super macro discounts. So as far as HPQ, we actually got a 4-hour entry on this one. So we are looking at a 212 4-hour above $21.47. If you actually click it, it says 21.46, but I guess it's like 21.46 and a half a penny. So anything above 21.47, we're looking pretty good. And then if you get any discounts below that level, you know what I'm saying, those are opportunities as well. But yeah, if we look at the macro charts always, we see there's plenty of room to go all the way up into the sky. And just to give it, let me just zoom out on this 15-minute chart. You can see how we finished, kind of how the price action is looking, setting up on the lower time frames below that 21.47. So a lot of potential there. First targets like 25. If you want to keep going, maybe 28, and then we'll see what happens from there. And then obviously, whether you're a share trader, options trader, you want to pick the stuff that's good for you. 19 million last trading session. Yeah, so everything's looking good. I'm going to see if it shows a product depth right now. Okay, so it's just not showing up right now, but yeah. Pretty nice over there. Pretty nice. Something I got into, literally just alerted this to my group, Conagra, coming off some 17-year lows. What is that? So I'm going to see if I get that same run. So alerted some contracts to my group. We're all doing well. Some of the contracts literally took off so fast. Literally on this move here from Thursday to Friday, literally alerted this, and we got this crazy move here. We want to see if we can still continue to take off of 17-year lows. If we look at the weekly time frame, you can kind of see what it looks like here above that 1695 is what we're looking at for entry. So this actually has a 1-minute entry. Let me go to the 1 minute. We can take a look at this. 1 minute entry. All right, so this is what we're looking at. 1 minute entry, 212. 1 minute entry above $16.95. This could be an amazing reversal back up. So I'm conservative with my targets for the most part, but yeah, a lot of potential. And actually, it's a clean set. I'll show you the regular set so you can see the broad formations. So yeah, tons of room there. You can kind of see where we are. Let me just give a little clarity by going to the day chart so you can kind of see where we are. Yeah, so this is what we are on the day chart inside of some of those broad formations with that monthly up at $18. Something to keep in mind as far as corporate data, dividend 35 cents on January 27th, 2026. So I'm sure a lot of investors, hedge funds, institutions, pension funds are going to want to take advantage of that. KHC, pretty good here. Let me go back to that year chart. We are literally coming off super lows on these stocks, like literally like recent, like super recent lows, super recent lows within the last couple days. And if we were to actually get some reversals, it could actually get pretty crazy for a lot of these stocks. So we actually got a 1 minute entry for KHC as well. So that is a 1 minute above $23.44. So trigger a couple pennies away, and you can see this broad information sitting up about $24.75. And then, of course, obviously, if it breaks out, then it's out of there, just like the rest of them. All of these are coming off so lows, such discounts that it's not going to take much for those to get going. Of course, all the institutions want to own these stocks, and they're all pretty strong buy stocks with price targets well above the current numbers, coming off crazy, like massive 50% discounts, and just crazy. Last ticker, Chunky Soup, Campbell's, CPB, pretty easy. Keep going with the theme here. Pretty simple 60-minute entry here. Oops, let me slide this over. You can see this level where we are, kind of just being consolidating here. Hit a low Thursday, just like some of the other, a couple different staple stocks, the ones we're looking at in particular. Hit the low 25.62. Kind of push back up. We want to see if this pushes back up to about 29. So we have a 212 60-minute above $26.45. Trigger is about 2 cents away. And if we push up, we got some room here, right? So you want to be able to, if you like shares, dividends, cool. You know what I'm saying? If that works for you, you can take advantage of that. If you like options, you can go look at some of these and, see if with time any of these will work for you. Like I said, our group, we got into Conagra on this during the week live. So I believe these are at some discounts. HPQ, like a lot of these setups are absolutely amazing. So definitely do your best to take advantage of it. And if you haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel so I can get you these updates as soon as they drop. And of course, if you have any questions, make sure to put those down in the comments below. I'm looking forward to having an absolutely amazing week. I can show you better than I can tell you. With that being said, it's your man, BossGangVIP, with the weekly money watch. I'm out, man.